All right, just going to look at this one and do it the quick way. Now we know that this is equal to a plus ib. So when you square the other side, you get a squared minus b squared plus 2iab, because it's a squared plus ib squared plus twice times the a times the ib. And the ib squared gives you that minus in the middle. So you got a squared minus b squared is minus 15, and 2ab is 8, so ab is 4. Now these are the two numbers that you're after for a and b, and we're trying to get minus 15. So 4 has factors of 4 and 1 and 2 and 2. So you've got to square them. So you could go 2 squared minus 2 squared. That's not going to work. But if you tried 4 squared minus 1 squared, you get 16 minus 1, which is 15. But we don't want 15. We want, if you look at that, we actually want minus 15, don't we? So what we do is we swap it around. We go 1 squared minus 4 squared. That will give you minus 15. So that means that the a is 1 and the b is going to be 4. Now, because this is a plus in the middle, remember from the last video, if it's a plus in the middle, it will turn out to be plus or minus 1 plus 4b. I'll say 4i. If it was a minus in the middle, it'd be 1 minus plus or minus 4i. Okay, so we'll do this the quick way. So let's, first of all, if we expand this, we now get a squared minus b squared plus 2iab. That means the a squared minus b squared gives you the 5, but the 2ab gives you the minus 12, so the ab gives you minus 6. So two things that multiply to give 6. So you can have 6 and 1 or 2 and 3. Now we've got to try and get 5. Okay, so, and when we square it, so we could go 3 squared minus 2 squared. See, 3 squared is 9, minus 2 squared is 4. That definitely gives you 5. Okay, so that means that, and 2 times 3 gives you 6. So that means that the a is 2 and the b, the a is 3 because it's on the left-hand side, and the b is 2. So whatever's here, that's your a, and whatever's on the other side, in case you're wondering, that's your b. Okay, so then when you write your final thing, that means that the square root of 5 minus 12i will equal plus or minus, so you write your 3. Now because it is a minus, let's just wait a minute. Because it is a minus in the middle, it will be a minus in the middle here. So that will be minus. So that'll be minus, and it will be 2i. And that there will be the square root of 5 minus 12i. So basically, when you set this up, you've got a squared minus b squared will equal a number, and then you end up with ab equal a number. Let's just say it was 5. You look at what those two numbers could be in order to give this one. See, that could be, say that was 24, for example. Okay, so if you put 5 on 1, 5 squared minus 1 squared, because that's what's going to go into here, would have to give you 24. And see, that works. So therefore, it would be 5. It would be, if it was plus in the middle, it would be 5 plus I with a plus or minus. If it was a minus in the middle, it would be plus or minus 5 minus I. Okay. Usually when it's a minus in the middle, that's, like this one here would be a plus, because that's a positive 5. Okay.